students, today we will do chapter 2, playing with numbers. I will start with exercise 2.2. Find factor. So factor we have done in our earlier standard also, 4th and 5th standard. Here I won't explain much about factor, but factor means that the number is divided evenly so that the remainder is 0. So now I will start with 2.2 exercise. Question number 1. A. Find the factor of 35. So we know that 35 is divided by 1. It goes in the table of 5. It goes in the table of 7 and 35. B. 42. 1. It will go into the table of 2. It will go into the table of 3. It will go in the table of 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Now I will do C. Number is 56. So 56 will go in 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. I'll erase this. Next we will do D. 80. So 80 factor is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. Next is E. So we will do E. 96. So the factors for 96 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and last is 96. Next is F. Number is 44. 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. So this I am doing from textbook. So I would like to explain about the textbook. The name of the textbook is I Did It Mathematics by Sudha Mahesh. This is class 6 book. Next is F we have finished, so we will go for G, which is 100. Yeah, G is 100. So 100 will go one time, it will go in 2 times table, 4 times table, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So these factor means we have to check it will divisible in which table by which number, so that you get the remainder 0. Hope I am clear here. Next we will do H. H is 75, 1. This is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 5, then 15, then it will go in 25 table and it will go in the 75 table by one time. H is done. Now we will go on I. I is 45. Okay, I 45. So we have to find the factor for 45. So 45 will go by one time, then 3s are 5s are 9, 15 and in the same table, that is 45 ones are 45. So I is also done. We will do J. J is 54. Okay, J is 54, so it will go by one table, 2 times table, 3 times table, 6 also it will go, that is 6 9s are, so 9 will also come, 9 and 18 table, then 27s are, and final is 54. The one which we did was like multiplication method. The other I would like to give an example, that is the division method. The example we will take is of 24. 24, if you divide by 1, it will go by 24 times and the answer will come as 0. So this way you can check by division method also for bigger numbers. 24, whether it goes by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 4 comes down, 2 2s are 4, so the remainder is 0, so 2 goes by 12. Further we will check 24 3s are 3, how many times 24, so 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So 3 8s are 24, so we get the remainder 0. Then we have to check with 4. Usually you have to check from 2 to 9. So we started with 1, then we divided with 2, then we divided with 3, then we dividing with 4. So 4 6 are 24 and the remainder comes to 0. Now we have to check whether 24 will go by 5. So we have to check if the number is divided by 24. This is a small number, so we know that this number is not divisible by 5. But just for an example sake, I am teaching you. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s is 25. So if you divide 5 4s are, and if you take 5 4s are 20, so you get a remainder over here. So we should not get the remainder. So 24 is not divisible by 5. So it won't go in 5. Now we have to check 6. So like 4 times table we did, 4 6 are 24. So this will come as 4, 6 4s are 24. That means it goes in the table of 4 and it goes in the table of 6. And we get the answer 0. So similarly we can check with the 7. We know the table. but it's just for an example sake. Like 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 24 doesn't comes in 7 times table, but if we try 7 3s are 21, it will leave a remainder of 3. So this is not divisible by 7. Now we will go on the next, that is 8 24. So we did 3 8s are 24. Now 8 3s are 24. That means 3 8s are 24. I'll erase this. That means 3 8s are 24. 8 3s are is also 24. That means 3 and 8 both are the factors of 24. So next example. So we tried with 8 and we know it won't go by 9. 24. 9 3s is 27, but 9 2s is 18. The remainder will come as 6. So we get a remainder of 6. So this is not divisible by 9 also. So this is one example I have taken for 24, and I taught you from 2 to 9 division. This is division method which can be used for bigger numbers. So you have to know thorough 2 to 9 table. For bigger numbers, you can use division method as your rough work. Rough work you can try with division method if you don't know the tables for the last minute. This is also a very easy method to solve, and division method will be helpful further in our prime factors also. With this we have completed number 1. Number 1, find all the factors, exercise 2.2, page number 23 of the textbook, like I explained earlier. In my next video I will do second, find all the prime factors of the given number.